Alright, so we've come outside because Toby has told us to go to Old Street for some mini golf. So if we do this now, we can go get the train to Old Street. So
the thing is, I like mini golf, but I can't fucking play it.
Yeah, we'll play with you though.
Yeah, we'll play. We'll be like this.
Well, you'll play
no,
with
pretend
me.
you're in it.
You're gonna mess up my shots.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my god.
We're going this way.
Go this way. You're broken already.
That broke.
That's broken it already.
Yeah, I was gonna say I know some fetish shops.
So
don't ask me why I know it. Alright, so we're going into Harmony.
Yeah.
Because we need to buy some more heavy duty handcuffs.
Yeah, these are just.
Ours are fine.
Well,
I was gassed though.
they're not.
These were comfortable.
Why did you just break them?
Oh, don't bring True Geordie down here. Don't bring True Geordie down here, lads. Bro, mad. That looks like a bit of chorizo. Oh yeah, I bet that does madders. I bet that does a madders.
Hi, you're right. We're looking for some handcuffs more heavy duty than this.
Yeah, some agile better ones. Yeah, like this isn't coming off now, is it?
these are way.
This is strong now. This is strong.
I wish I was strong. Oh, alright, we need to go get the train. No. You know that football stretch where you go like this?
Yep.
Come on.
30 quid just to break.
But okay, should we actually make it to mini golf now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are now about to go to the station. So we go to mini golf. Obviously we're handcuffed together, so we've got to try and get through turnstile barriers, turnstiles, whilst handcuffed. So this it's just not going to work well at all. It's just not going to work. We made it!
Stop. Wheel hand free. Right, make him dab.
Oh yeah?
Stop it.
Oh, I hate this. Help. This big gang is taking me somewhere. Help. They're taking me against my help. Bro, listen, actually, do you know what? Yeah, I'm gassed. My guys.
We're being nice.
I'm gassed. They're taking me against my will, mister. I don't want to do this, by the way. Fuck me.
Come on, Ethan. You have two hands.
Hey, but he's not going to let me use it, is he?
Go on. Look.
Stop it! Yeah, now what? This is like torture. This is.
You got trapped.
Remember, look. Recycle. Environment.
Right, which way? I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm so happy I'm with you two.
Yeah, me too. Like, it's actually.
Harry's the only other one I would have taken.
Yeah. So I feel like Harry.
Well, I would have happily been with Vic, but I know whoever's with Vic would have made it horrible.
JJ will just shag Vic constantly, but Harry might have that little bit of sympathy.
Hey look, you're a tree hugger. You're a tree hugger.
I don't want to mess up my brand new SIDEMEN clothing. Discount code is TREEHUG for 15% off.
How do you spell tree hug?
Tree and hug.
One
word, yeah. Tree hug, one word.
Alright, somehow I beat the guys to golf. They're on their way here now. Hopefully they're a bit less of a shambles than JJ, Vic and Harry. But there they are.
Go fuck yourself, mate.
What? Why?
I want Fuck yourself.
Why?
We're also on
It's our
our
third
fourth
one.
and fifth pair of handcuffs.
We've had to go to a sex shop and get heavy duty stuff. Look.
Mate, I tried to make it easy for you, innit? But
Yeah, but they snapped every time.
sorry.
Easy, I'm in the middle.
Easy for you to escape. You lot got to play a game of mini golf, and the loser doesn't get to eat food. I've got pizzas coming. No food if you lose.
Where have you been, mate? And what have you been doing?
I was watching the others try and cook food. It's so funny. You might need to buy a new plate, Simon.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Excuse me, could you move your legs, please? Thank you. That's more like it. Yeah.
Good shot, mate. I now look like I want to be taken against the wall here.
You don't? Oh, good effort.
Oh, nice block. That's really good, mate.
Josh completes whole.
Who's going next?
Am I playing now?
Go now?
Will you let me play?
Yeah.
You'll let me play.
We're doing. Oh, very nice.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful. Simon's eating a leaf.
Come on!
Ethan choked. He choked.
No shot on that. Hey, through the legs. No look. Hey. Oh!
Right hand.
Oh
no. If you just hit the ball, man. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, no.
Ethan, that's one
Oh,
shot.
for fuck's sake.
Alright, let him play now. Let him play. Let him play. Oh my god.
Look, go on, do it, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Only one! No! And I'm not going to be able to do it, right?
Hey.
Oh no.
See.
Oh, yeah, I'll probably bring that.
Chill. Please. Ethan, chill, please.
Trick shot!
What does that put me on? This is not good, eh? This is not good.
None of you are going to eat at this rate.
That's good. What about 10,
6, 7, 8.
There we go!
10, lovely.
Whatever! 4! I think we're done.
I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play. The one in the middle was losing. Oh. Easy, go easy, go easy.
I think you cheated there.
I think you cheated.
I think you should choke.
Let's go eat pizza.
How are we doing this?
Everyone in, boys!
Do you reckon you can shoot? No, look, I've got an idea, look. Do you reckon you can shoot?
The dribble.
This is not a public toilet, by the way. No, it's empty. We're here over the ice. Oh, what a great tea that was, eh, Simon?
Great thing, right?
Right?
I'm going first. Fucking piece of shit. You are not my Don, eh?
Off we go.
Right, well. Right. Hey, mate.
Yes. Yeah, for Simon, yeah.
I'll see you in a bit.
Oh, it's hot, isn't it?
It's really high regret.
And me.
If anyone's fat, it's JJ, right?
At the minute.
Fair, to JJ, he's funny when he's fat or skinny.
Yeah, respect.
That was an insult to you.
I know. I really, that's why I didn't really say much.
Next up is the monument, which is under 9.
To get that hat.
Oh. I want a Peaky Blinders hat.
I say Josh gets fedora. This ain't fitting on my head. Yeah, but look.
Yes!
Can you lot walk slower?
Con, go fuck yourself, mate. Get fitter.
It's my boys. They're my pals.
Got a new apprentice for you.
Can I come here? Right, where are we doing this picture? On here.
Right here. So, as you can tell, we're out in sunny London today. Beautiful day, and we've just ticked off one of our exercises. We have taken a picture in front of the London Eye.
So, complete a fun group activity.
Mini golf, done.
And got hats.
Take a form of public transport.
Tube, done.
Make a quick snack in the kitchen. We haven't done that. Take a picture in front of one iconic London tourist attraction.
Boom, boom.
Get some exercise done. Hit the gym for you, Ethan.
Ah.
Right, what are we doing? We hold our hands down.
Well, this is just
Sit on him. He can't do
You
it.
only one. What's wrong with you?
Come on, one.
Come on, just be strong.
One press up.
Push.
Come on.
Push.
One press up.
Push.
yeah. Look, this is nice communal
This
pace.
feels like the weirdest pimp video I've ever seen in my life.
Look, go on. Look, we'll chuck a right. Look.
Down here.
Yeah. Look.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, we're turning, Josh. Can we just say,
Can we say what?
please do not try this at home or out on the streets anywhere. We're not responsible adults. We're idiots, and we are risking it for your entertainment.
That really hurt.
All right, let's put in a shift to get up the hill then, lads. Yeah. All right, let's have it. Let's have it.
Full send.
Full send, ready? Full send.
Full send.
Go!
Full send. Oh fucking hell! That got us up the road. That's right, lads.
Well, we made it 10 yards.
Oh.
Alright, so we decided to come to Trafalgar Square to try and make our army bigger.
Yeah.
We've got a spare pair of handcuffs.
Human centipede gets bigger.
So yeah, we're going to try and basically get a fourth person in.
You want your handcuff? You want to join in? Join us. Trying to get cuffed up.
Yeah, I'm trying to get cuffed up.
Jeez.
Cuffing season.
Someone not going too well for you, yeah?
Yeah, no. It's a bit of a sticky one, but you know.
Yeah, now you're
when
cuffed
you know,
to a
you
man.
Yeah!
Oh, no, that's
Alright, we
okay,
didn't
you're
know
right.
that.
Yeah,
You can't. We lost a pal today.
Wait, we know the picture now.
Yeah, this is sick. We're making an army. Gang. You're meant to use these in the bedroom.
Oh, I do.
Oh, you do? Jeez, experience in that. Bang.
Oh, hey. Triple cup. Welcome to the game.
Now what?
I'll grow stronger.
I feel a bit weird now. You know?
Yeah. We've ended up cuffing a load of people. Yeah, like you can just enjoy your day now.
Okay, so we've lost our fourth member of our little crew, but we're going to go back to Wingstop as a circle.
It's not really a circle, it's a triangle.
That's a triangle.
It's a
There's
triangle.
3 points.
Oh, there's 3 points.
We're making it illuminate.
We're not straight lines.
This is
there.
Illuminate.
doing
This is
straight lines.
Illuminate.
I
right
finally
now.
come out.
Yeah,
so,
everyone's
yeah,
the
I
boss.
appreciate that, yeah. Great.
I can see Wingstop.
I can see a Wingstop.
It's right there.
I can see it.
Which means that we're almost done.
Wingstop!
Yeah!
Wingstop! Answering all our prayers. Wingstop!
Well, I guess now we just wait.
It's romantic.
Yep.
What are you going to have?
More ice.
You got one, please.
Cheese! Does this count as making a snack in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Yeah, I'll grab them. I got a right hand free. Move me closer, I can grab 3. Boys, I don't like this.
Hey!
Want a straw?
Yes, please.
Smashed it.
Want a straw?
Yeah, I've got one.
You're one.
Dude, you want to know?
I'm good.
We're alright, crew.
I think we're a good team, man.
Thanks, mate. Thanks. See, we're a good team, you know. Cheers. Cheers, boys.
We're lovely.
Oh, they're here.
We made a triangle.
We up the levels.
We made a triangle.
Wait, you guys decided
Oh,
to...
you leveled up.
We did. Our one's a real sex one.
Oh, let me in.
Real sex one.
Hey, come on, Vic. Come on, Vic.
Mate,
And Harry, go on.
Hey. Yeah.
Why does Vic look drunk? Have you been making a drink?
It's been a long day. Alright, can we take these off now?
So wait, are we allowed to give up on the challenge? Are we allowed to give up?
Why does Vic seem so keen to give up? Has it been horrible, Vic?
No, we went.
It's not been great.
Why did you all get hats?
For our picture?
And got some London hats.
Did you get a picture? Where? Camden Lock.
My friends are weird. My friends are very weird.
We had a new Donny in our one.
Yeah, we even got someone else to join. That's why we got
We had someone on this one.
we got someone to join. We actually ended up with 5 of us in it at one point.
Wow. Toby, can we please get out of this now?
I said that 10 minutes ago.